This is 2 days stored maavu. So I'm going to prepare dosa now.
கலக்குவேன் தோசை மாவை கலக்குவேன் கரண்டி விட்டு கலக்குவேன் பாரு.
I just fortifying this dosa more than 2 or 5 times. Ready? Pakava, is it good or what?
அது என்ன பெருசா இருக்கு, நான் சின்னதா தான கட் பண்ண சொன்னேன்.
Hi guys, welcome to Vicky's Vlog, and this is the second day I'm going to cook with the help of my wife, and today we are going to prepare dosa with mutta podimas. This is a delicious food. I think everyone will like that. Dosa also first time I'm cooking. Whenever I used to prepare dosa, it'll come like I'll prepare dosa, but it'll come like kuttu paratha. This time definitely I'll cook a good dosa. Okay, let's prepare dosa. Whoever have asa in dosa, watch this video. Besa. Nice rhyming, no? I think in foreign countries they used to eat only bread, but in India dosa is our national food, national dish. I hope what we'll do, no? In dosa maavu, dosa is also like a mean korambu, fish korambu. So what happened, no? We can store the dosa maavu in fridge for 2 to 3 days. It will become good. So that is how we are going to prepare this dosa maavu. It is in fridge more than 2 days. I don't know how it will be, but I need to prepare because I don't going to eat. I have to check it out whether it is good or not. We used to check it in scientific lab. That is how we are going to test now. So we are going to test the maavu now. I'm going to show the maavu now. This is 2 days stored maavu. So I'm going to prepare dosa now. For that we need to find a dosa maavu karandi. Found it.
கலக்குவேன் தோசை மாவை கலக்குவேன் கரண்டி விட்டு கலக்குவேன் பாரு. Oh, wait, no need to put water and all. It is fully mixed correctly. So the maavu is just smell that. Yeah, it is good smell. Good smell is coming. I think it will be good. So whenever you used to put the dosa, you should check whether it is boiled good or bad. So otherwise you will get somewhat some black color will come. So check it out. It is coming well. So I'm going to fortifying this dosa. Over asa in dosa, just check it out. I think it's coming good somehow. Even my mom house also I won't prepare these things and all. But now I'm doing. I don't know how much days it will go. Okay, one prepared. So totally she said 3 dosa she want. So I have to prepare 3. 3 தோசை போதலமா?
See, there is no response. No one will understand the pain of common man. I mean, husband's pain. We'll prepare. See, if you prepare 3 dosas, no, she'll ask, why you didn't prepare 4 dosa like that? If you prepare 4 dosas, no, she'll ask, I only said 3 dosa I have to prepare. Then why did you prepare 4 dosa like that? What will do? It happens. Shit happens. Better we'll do one thing. We'll make 4 dosas. She'll ask, why did you make 4 dosas like that? Then we'll reveal that we'll make only 3 dosas. I think it's dosa, right? I just fortifying this dosa more than 2 or 5 times, but that brown color is not coming. That brown color will come in the dosa, right? But I don't know why it's not coming. I'm just carrying that this is dosa maavu or not. Prepared. Switch off. We got 3 dosas now. Smell like dosa. You see. One good news. We got a positive comment from my wife. She said that it is dosa, and there are 3 dosas are there. She accept that. Okay, next we are going to prepare podimas. For podimas we need to I don't know how to cook. She only going to cook. I'm going to help her to cut the onion, onion, tomato, and milagai, green chilli. Okay, let's go and prepare for podimas. Okay, we are going to prepare a basic need which is necessary for preparing podimas now. So for that we need 2 potatoes, 2 onions, small onions, and finally 2 green chilli with good condition. So once I cut this, I'll just show you. Removing the dress of onion is very difficult thing, it will make us cry. So first we need to remove all the upper body of the onion, then only it will be. Everything is damaged. No, it is good.
So we should remove all the upper bodies of the onion, and then I am going to cut the onion now. We should cut it as a small piece, otherwise it will make disturb in our mouth. So I'll just make it tiny onions. Love marriage பண்ணதுக்கு என்னென்னலாம் பண்ண முடியாது. From childhood itself, I won't cry for anything, but I'm crying. Baby, don't try this at your home. If someone see me really with the care, they think that I'm really crying. You know what? The difficult thing is cut the onion. Next painkiller is tomato. It will reduce all my tears, I think. You will be sister of onion. I don't know how he is going to be hurt me. This is what I have prepared. I think I just cut it in a correct way. We'll see. Kritika, you want ready? Pakawa, is it good or what?
அது என்ன பெருசா இருக்கு நான் சின்னதா தான கட் பண்ண சொன்னேன்.
Audience only know the pain of me. You guys only know how much of pain I have got when I'm cutting the vegetables. But she's telling that why you cutting the vegetables in a big size? Just cut it in a small size. This is the new machine which is discovered by Albert Einstein. Kadugu porjifying, giving music, right? Aha! The onion is vadikifying now. Okay, tomato. Very important stage. You should crack the egg carefully, otherwise it will make us crack. Okay, it is done. A beautiful puri moss came. And finally we are going to taste. And finally we are going to taste the Mutta puri moss which is prepared by my wife. Why you think? Let's see. Let's taste this. Extraordinary.
நல்லா இருக்கா?
Super.
சூப்பரா இருக்கா?
Fantastic.
தட்டெல்லாம் கழுவி வச்சிரு.
English is a very funny language. Tomorrow காலையில coming sir. Photo sir. Tick sir. நம்ம இங்கிலீஷ் எப்படி சார் இருக்கு?